Hello, it is Tuesday, November 15th, 2011 at 5:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. I wanted to show you some things that are appearing on radar, and it seems to be as a result of the Terminator beams going through across the nation. They go through every sunset and sunrise. You can see them coming down across here. Let's see. Here they go. See? They're awful fast. Let me slow it down a little bit. And after it hits this station or goes through it, notice how it kind of explodes. And then these green blobs show up. And there's also some HAARP rings here that are showing up on the radar. See this blue ring? It goes around Buffalo, New York. And then this is Fort Drum Air Force Base. And we can't really see a ring around that one yet. But there's also one here around Cleveland. Let me show you close up what's happening. This is Fort Drum Air Force Base. And I'm not quite sure how to say that. Montague, New York. But let me go ahead and play the loop for you so you can see what happens. See that explosion right there? And then the beam goes. Let me do it slowly. This starts at 23:51. Well, no, earlier. Let me go back to the beginning. Going the long way. Here we go, 20:46. And then at 21:20 you get this little explosion, and it kind of goes out this way. There's almost a straight line here. And then the beam comes through, the little Terminator beam comes out. And then it just starts growing. And these, I don't know, blobs kind of come up. Let me go ahead and let it play through so you can see. One more thing I want to do is zoom in on that little crown-like thing. So it's not there, then it's there. So you can see it right here. And you can see it spraying away. See that? And then it's blue kind of in this area. So let's go look at some other ones. Let's see. Buffalo. Go ahead and loop that. So it doesn't have a little explosion ahead of time, but right after the beam comes through you can see it kind of erupts. This is a storm going past a system that's going all the way across the United States. So let's go look at Cleveland. You see getting the same thing. It looks like they excite just before the beam gets to them. Right there, see? Nothing. That's at 21:42 UTC. This is at 21:48. And then we get the beam right here at 21:58. And it doesn't seem to be as severe as the other one as far as, I don't know, the overflow or whatever's happening there. I want to go back to the Air Force Base because I forgot to look at the base velocity loop. Well, there's that little crown thing's kind of showing. And then Let's see, Binghamton also had the problem, New York. And it's a different thing also. Each one's behaving somewhat differently. So this is at 2130, and then at 2136 both the beam and the eruption occurs. So we're not getting like a pre-eruption. It's happening all at once on this one. But the hot spot seems to be up here, the denser part. And it seems like they all seem to have like a splotch off to the side that, that's more prominent than any of the other ones. Like this is a splotchy area, but there's a defined splotch. Well, not that defined, but. And I think that's all that. We'll go look at. This is Albany, and it's right near all that, but I'm not seeing the problem there. A problem. Yeah, it looks like a problem. See, that looks normal. You're getting some scatter going on, and you're getting the clouds going by. But I'm not seeing a beam go through either, so maybe that has something to do with it. It starts at 2208, so I would think it would be on there. Let's check another one. Here's Pittsburgh. Yeah, was that a beam? Is that a beam? Yeah, it looks like a beam, barely though. It starts at 2144. Yeah, I can't say for sure whether it is. Right here it looks like it might be 2158. And then, let's see, Vermont up here, Burlington, Vermont. It looks like it's just got the static going on. I'm not seeing a beam, but we could be past the point too. Starts at 2319 something. Oh, it should. Let me go back. Sorry, I thought I had this all figured out, but I guess I didn't. Alright, so here come the beams. Nope, we didn't get one in Vermont, so maybe that's why it didn't light up. But here we've got one at Fort Drum Air Force Base. There's one down here out of Albany, it looks like. So it had one. And then we got one here out of Buffalo. And then, actually, you see here, Cleveland, it doesn't have any blue, and then this one goes off. And then it gets the blue around it. And then there's the beam for that one. So anyway, there you have it. I hope that made sense. Sorry, I had to kind of go around the block there. So God bless you. Stay safe out there.